I can't recommend any other light other than the Kraken lights, strictly because they design a float that goes around your light. Having this float around your light makes your light neutral in any position.
Underwater video lights are essential for your underwater video. Adding the white light replaces all the color loss we see underwater, and it really brings out all those amazing colors we see on the reef. Having video lights is a must for underwater video. Video lights are also really heavy. It weighs down your camera setup, causes instability in your shots, it throws off your balance, and creates a more difficult dive experience. Offsetting that weight to create stability in your video, it used to be very complicated. But Kraken Sports solved this problem by creating a float that wraps around your video light. Because the float is around the light, it solves so many problems. Your light is now neutrally buoyant, and your setup is balanced in any light position.
So the way these floats work is the float is pushed over the light. So if you have a light already at home, maybe I'll measure the diameter of this float and put it over to YouTube video later when I'm editing. But you might be able to use this float on your lights that you have already. Maybe get creative, drill some holes in and zip tie it, or buy some Velcro and strap it around in a way that is secure. But without any kind of float around the lights are heavy. The batteries are heavy. It creates this weight in your setup. You really need some kind of float around your light. With the float around the light, your light and your setup is now very balanced. So no matter where you put your light, your setup is not going to pull in that direction. It's going to be balanced. Right now my lights are right here. So if I'm underwater, the weight is going to pull my entire setup this way. And when you're swimming, you have to swim and compensate and try to pull that weight back to keep your setup neutral. That's going to create a lot of instability in your shot. With these floats, anywhere you put your position, your setup's going to be balanced. It's not going to pull in any direction whatsoever. So to me, a light without a float around your light is a bad light. I can't recommend any other light because of this float. To me, this float changed underwater videography.